Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure UVs are usable. This matters because textures follow UVs. Once done, assign a material to your object so you have a target for the map. Then create a file texture node and load your image. Make sure color space matches the map type. You do this now to avoid rework later. Finally, connect the file node to the material color or base color attribute so the texture displays in the viewport and renders correctly. Next, handle additional maps like roughness, normal, and metalness because they control light interaction and surface detail. Connect each file node to the correct slot. For normals, use a normal map node and set tangent space. Once connected, use a layered texture or a shader mix to blend decal or dirt layers. This keeps non-destructive control. Make sure to preview an IPR or viewport 2. 0 so you can see how lighting affects maps. Adjust gamma or filtering when something looks off. To finish, render a test using your production lights to confirm the texture reads correctly and seams are hidden. If you plan to export, bake textures to a single map. Make sure tiling and rotation are correct in the Place 2D texture node. If something goes wrong, isolate the problematic map by disconnecting others. Then check the file node color space, bit depth, and UV placement. Re-import the source image or rebuild small UV shells to fix persistent seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.